Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how the Profoto Connect works together with the Profoto app to add convenience and power to your shoots. The Profoto app is used to change the air channel of the Connect and apply updates to it. The app is also used to easily adjust the power settings of your connected Profoto lights. The first step to using the app is to turn on your Profoto Connect by turning the lid away from the off setting. Then, make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth turned on, then launch the Profoto app. The first time you launch the app, you'll need to log in to your My Profoto account or create a new one. Once you've logged into your My Profoto account, tap the plus button at the top of the screen to start searching for Profoto devices. Once the app has found your device, tap Connect to connect to it. The first time you connect to a new Profoto device, the app will offer to register it to your account. Registration is instant and allows us to provide personalized customer service should you need to contact us in the future. If you choose to do this later, you can register your Connect manually on Profoto's website or in the advanced settings menu of the app. Once connected, the Profoto app will automatically connect to your Profoto Connect in the future when you turn it on and launch the app. You can stop this by tapping the Disconnect button in the Profoto Connect's settings menu, which we'll explore later. The screen currently shown contains the control card for your Profoto Connect. The title here is the name of your Profoto Connect. This number is the current air channel. The battery indicator shows how much battery capacity is remaining. This indicator shows that the Profoto Connect is in auto mode. This large slider can be used to adjust the flash power of your connected Profoto lights. We'll explore this in detail later. This area shows that a new firmware update is available for your Profoto Connect. Before we start shooting photos, it's important to understand the concept of air channels. Air is Profoto's wireless technology that's used by our products to communicate with one another. Air channels are a little like Wi-Fi networks. Devices must be on the same network to communicate with each other. With Profoto Air, your Profoto Connect and Profoto lights must be on the same air channel to work together. You can find detailed instructions on how to change your light's air channel in its user guide, but let's take a look at how to change the channel on this Profoto A1. Press the button in the middle of the dial to access the menu. Rotate the dial to go to Channel. Press the button in the middle of the dial to open the channel menu. Turn the dial to select an air channel. Let's use channel 7. The channel of the Profoto Connect is changed in the app. Tap the cogwheel in your Connect's control card to access its settings menu. Tap Air Channel. Tap on the air channel that your lights are using. Since we set the channel on our A1 to 7, we should use 7 here too. Exit the menu by tapping the back arrow. Now, both our Profoto Connect and our Profoto A1 are using the same air channel and can talk to each other. The Profoto Connect has two modes. Auto mode adjusts the power of your connected lights automatically based on your camera's flash auto exposure system, and manual mode allows you to manually adjust the power of your lights. Switch between auto and manual by turning the lid of your Profoto Connect like this. The app will update the control card to match. Let's start with auto mode. When set to auto, connected lights will adjust their power setting automatically to ensure you get the correct exposure in every shot. Easy! If you want a little more or less light, adjust the automatic flash power slider to suit. The slider can be set from -3 to +3. Let's take a couple of shots to see how this works in practice. First, I take a shot in auto mode with a flash power slider set to 0. Next, I take a shot with a flash power slider set to +1. Finally, I take a shot with a flash power slider set to -1. Let's take a look at the results. When set to manual, connected lights will use the flash power that's set on each light. You can use the app to adjust the light's flash power by using the manual flash power slider. The manual flash power slider applies the same change to each connected light. For example, if you have one light set to 5.5 and another set to 7, Using the app to apply +1 to the flash power will change the lights to 6.5 and 8 respectively. Once the change has been made, the app's manual flash power slider will reset to 0, ready for the next adjustment. Now you've seen how to change air channels and how to work with the Profoto Connect in both auto and manual modes to adjust power settings of your connected lights. Finally, I'll show you how to update your Profoto Connect. When there is a new firmware update available, it will be displayed on the control card for your Profoto Connect. Tap Install to see details of the update, then tap Download and Install to start the update. The update will take a couple of minutes and your Profoto Connect will turn itself off and on during the installation. When the update completes, the app will reconnect and you're good to go.